In 2018, a broke college dropout used a secret loophole to make $1.2 million by age 25. No, it's not crypto. No, it's not drop shipping. And by the end of this video, you'll hate me for telling you this. Let's start with a story you'll hate. Because it's yours. Meet Alex, 26, works 50 hours a week, dreams of traveling. But every night, he's stuck in the doom loop. Instagram, Netflix, repeat. Why? Because society taught him 3 toxic lies. Lie number 1, hard work equals success. Lie number 2, follow your passion. Lie number 3, you need money to make money. Here's the uncomfortable truth. You're not lazy. You're addicted to suffering, and it's by design. Your brain is hacked. Schools train you for obedience. Ads sell you dissatisfaction. And the system? It profits when you're just productive enough to survive, but too distracted to escape. So, how do you break free? You cheat. Here's how. Step 1. Reverse engineer your life. If you have a 5-year goal, break into monthly tasks. Step 2. The 1-hour rule: spend 60 minutes a day on one skill that compounds. Step 3. Silent wealth. Invest some amount per day into assets that work while you sleep. Still think it's impossible? Meet Sarah. Sarah was a burned-out nurse. In 2022, she used Step 2 to learn copywriting. 6 months later, she quit. Now she works 10 hours a week from Bali. Her secret? She ignored motivation and focused on, if you skip to the end, you're part of the 97%. But if you're serious, smash like, save this video, and watch it again tomorrow. The 3% always do. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you in the next video. Until then, subscribe and stay motivated.